What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to lend and stake the UST stablecoin on the Anchor protocol platform. So Anchor is a lending and yielding DeFi platform built on top of the Terra Luna ecosystem. And for providing the native UST stablecoin, you earn up to 20% APY in compounding rewards. This is the highest stablecoin yield-bearing stablecoin platform in the market today. And judging by the ranking, Terra Luna is ranked number 2 in total value locked with over 29 billion locked in their ecosystem. And if we dig deeper, you do see that the biggest platform built on top of Terra Luna is Anchor protocol with over 15 billion locked in their platform. So I'm super bullish on the Anchor platform, and today I wanted to cover a complete step-by-step guide on how to provide liquidity inside of Anchor and earn up to 20% APY in UST stablecoin. So let's get started. So let's cover what the UST stablecoin is. Terra UST is the decentralized and algorithmic stablecoin of the Terra blockchain. It is scalable, yield-bearing coin that is value pegged to the US dollar. Terra UST was created to deliver value to the Terra community and offer a scalable solution for DeFi amid severe scalability problems faced by other stablecoin leaders like DAI. Thus, Terra UST promises users a higher level of scalability, interest rate accuracy, and interchange usage. Passive income potential. Users can gain passive income using Terra UST with the Anchor protocol stable interest rates. Anchor is a lending protocol that promises a 20% return on UST savings. So very easily, once you deposit UST into the Anchor protocol, you'll immediately begin earning UST rewards daily and compounding daily. So in order to get started, the first thing you want to do is install the Terra Station wallet. So the website here is station.terra.money, and this is Luna's central hub for all things Luna and UST token. On here you can see the daily volume for Luna transactions, the amount of wallets being created, and a bunch of other cool statistics. You can even swap the Luna token or UST token and even stake the native Luna token. So on the home page, what you want to do is install the native Terra Station wallet. So what you would do is navigate to the top right here, hit connect, and it would give you the option to install Terra Station wallet. What you would do is click in here. This would bring you to the Google Chrome store. And on here, you would click on the blue button and allow Terra Station wallet to be added to your Chrome browser. And from there, the icon will populate on the top right, and this would be your Terra Station wallet for all Luna ecosystem tokens. By default, the Luna token and UST tokens are populated, but you can also add tokens and add all the other various Luna tokens available. And your unique wallet address is populated here. Cool, so once that is installed, you're going to want to buy some Luna token either from crypto.com, Kraken, or KuCoin and send it to the Terra Station wallet. So keep in mind, ultimately, we do want to acquire some UST stablecoins, so we're going to have to swap some Luna for UST. But keep in mind, you're always free to actually withdraw the native UST stablecoin from either Kraken or KuCoin, who both support UST natively. But if you don't have either of these exchanges, you can always use crypto.com to buy Luna and send Luna over to the Terra Station wallet. So as you can see, I already have a balance of 1 whole Luna in my wallet. I've previously withdrawn from crypto.com. But in order to recreate this in Kraken or KuCoin, we can replicate it the same way. So under Kraken, you would go to deposits and withdrawals, and you can pick either the Terra UST coin or the Luna coin. Your Terra Station wallet will accept both to the same address. So under Kraken, make sure you're under withdrawal. So you would add a Terra UST address here. You can give it a name, wallet. And this is very important. You would paste your withdrawal address here. So go over to Terra Station and copy your address here, and you would paste it here. And lastly, you can add a memo, you can add a description, but this isn't necessary, so you can leave this blank. And once you're ready, you would hit add withdrawal address. The same thing goes for KuCoin. Make sure you choose your coin, either UST or Luna, under wallet address. Copy the same Terra Station wallet address up here, copy and paste it here. And under network, be sure to choose the Luna network. Do not choose Ethereum. That's a different wrap version. Make sure you choose Luna. And it's asking, notice, does this require a memo? It does not. So under your memo, you could leave that blank and you would choose the amount. You can also write a note, which is not necessary. And finally, you would hit confirm and the withdrawal process should begin. So the Luna blockchain is extremely fast, and once you withdraw, this should only take a couple of seconds. And finally, you should have the updated balance show up in your Terra Station wallet. And as you can see, I have one whole Luna. And if you're sending UST, your available balance will populate there. Cool, and don't forget that anytime you're making a withdrawal, usually the exchange will add on the gas fee, which is the transaction fee, to send the token from one location to another. And simply, a gas fee is inherent in all blockchains. It's simply a transportation fee, so you can send your coins over the network. And Luna has currently extremely low gas fees, which are around 10 to 20 cents per transaction. Cool, so our next step would be to connect to the Terra Money website. And this is the central hub for all things Luna blockchain. And from here, we can swap some Luna for UST as well. So the website here is station.terra.money. And the homepage is a dashboard. And on the top right, you would simply want to hit connect. Make sure you choose Terra Station wallet. And it should be an instantaneous connection to the wallet you've just installed. And what we're looking for is the swap page. Click on here. Go ahead and choose Luna, and we're swapping Luna for some UST stablecoin. So our Luna balance is preloaded, and as you can see, I have 1.06 Luna available. So if I choose one, the exchange rate is roughly 1 Luna for 106 UST stablecoin. And this does seem correct. Luna is currently at 106 with 70 cents. So UST is always pegged to $1. And keep in mind, when we make this exchange, there is an associated swap fee. And the swap fee here is 0.003 Luna. So verify this all looks correct and hit submit. And confirm the transaction on your Terra Station wallet. Go ahead and click post. And the transaction is broadcasting. And the swap was successful, and you can verify the transaction on the Terra Station scanner, which is finder.terra.money, and click confirm. And if we scroll up to our Terra Station wallet, you do see that now we have 106.1 USD tokens available. And you can always view your transaction history within the Terra Station by clicking on history, and this would show you your last transaction. And your available wallet balance is also available under the wallet section. So now that we've gotten a hold of some UST stablecoin, we'll finally visit the Anchor protocol website and deposit our UST. So you can access the website under the wallet section by clicking on the bottom right here on the earn button. This would take you to the Anchor protocol website, or you can simply visit the website yourself by going to anchorprotocol.com, and on the homepage, click on web app on the top right. This would bring you to the dashboard section, and this shows you the total amount of transactions happening on the Anchor protocol. There's currently 11.7 billion UST deposited, and for collateral, there's also 6.4 billion total used as collateral. So on here, you would want to navigate to the earn page. And if you haven't already, be sure to connect your Terra Station wallet to the website. Just click on the top right here and click on connect wallet if you haven't already. Cool, so now let's go ahead and deposit some UST into the platform. So once we're in here, you would simply hit the deposit button, and you can choose the amount you'd like to deposit. We're gonna hit max. But like I mentioned earlier, you always have to leave a bit of gas behind to cover gas fees. So instead of 105.6, we're just gonna do 105. So that should cover it. And our transaction here is only 0.25 UST, which is 25 cents. And verify this is correct, hit proceed. And confirm the transaction on your Terra Station wallet, hit post, and the deposit was complete. And again, you can always verify the transaction on the public ledger on Terra Station. Hit OK. Cool, so on this same earn page, you have a couple of sections. You'll see your total deposit. I've deposited 105 UST. My expected interest over the 1 year mark. So for 1 year, if I left this amount the same, this would yield me 20.46 UST. At a monthly rate, this would net me 1.70, and a weekly, that would be 39 UST. So that's a handy calculator for you to predict how much you'll be earning for the total amount of deposit you'll be inputting. And this is the current market interest rate for Anchor Protocol, 19.49%, which has been this consistent for the past year, and it'll remain this high for the next couple of months. There is some talk of trimming rewards down the line. We don't know yet, but if Anchor decides to trim rewards down the line, it'll only be a couple of percentage points. So maybe from 19.5 down to 17 or 16%, something like that. Cool, so now that that is done, let's go over how some of the other features on Anchor protocol work. So you're probably wondering, how is Anchor offering such a high rewards rate? And simply, it's two ways. You as an investor can also borrow UST. So if you provide a collateral on the platform, and these are currently the 3 tokens you can provide as collateral: bonded Luna, bonded ETH, or staked AVAX. If you provide any of these coins as collateral, you can borrow UST. So when you borrow UST, your borrow rate is at 12%. So anyone who's borrowing is paying a fee to borrow UST. So you as a lender on the other side, this is how you're earning some of that reward. From people who've borrowed, you're earning some of that borrow fee as a liquidity provider. And another way Anchor offers a high APR is all of these tokens that are provided as collateral also earn staking rewards. So instead of the borrower earning the staking rewards, the Anchor protocol is earning the staking rewards on their behalf, and they in turn can redistribute the staking rewards into the Earn protocol. And from here, again, this goes back into the 90% APY, which is a streamlined way for you to keep earning a high yield. So like I mentioned, this high APY has been this high for the past year, and it'll continue at this rate for the next couple of months. As long as people keep providing liquidity and borrowing money, you as a depositor will continue earning rewards. So lastly, to cover a few things about rewards. Rewards are paid out daily automatically in UST token, and rewards are reinvested automatically. So on the back end here, you get daily deposits and reinvested daily into the same pool. So you don't have to claim rewards, you don't have to harvest rewards. This is an automatic process done for you. You can truly set it and forget it. And there's no lockup period. You can withdraw anytime. There are no term limits. So once you deposit, within the same minute, you can withdraw your money. There are no penalty fees. And lastly, all the UST you've earned, you're free to send it back to crypto.com or Kraken or KuCoin once your original contribution has grown to a place where you want it to be. So when you're ready to withdraw, you would simply go back in the Earn page, hit withdraw, and choose the amount you'd like to withdraw and hit proceed, and your UST coin will end up back into your Terra Station wallet. And once it's in your wallet, you can go back into your favorite exchange, crypto.com or Kraken or KuCoin, and send the tokens there. And from there, you can always cash out or convert to fiat. And don't forget, you can also view other statistics on your personal Anchor page under the My Page section. This would show you a breakdown of what you've contributed, and you can also stake and farm the native Anchor coin on the same platform. And currently the Anchor coin is at 283 per token. And towards the bottom, you do see more of the Anchor reward payouts if you're staking Anchor. And there's also an Earn tab where you can see your current UST Earn rewards. And if you're borrowing, what the borrow rate is. For governance, you can vote on proposals and blockchain upgrades. And finally, transaction history. All of the transactions you've done on your Terra Station wallet will show up here. So I'm super bullish on the Anchor protocol. This is a great way to earn passive income on the UST stablecoin. It's a super simple process that only takes a couple of minutes to set up. And once you've deposited your initial amount, you can set it and forget it. It does all the auto compounding work for you on the back end. There's a reason the Terra Luna blockchain is ranked number 2 in total value locked, mostly because of the Anchor protocol. Staking and lending stablecoins during a bear market is one of the safest and easiest way to earn a yield even during a bear market. And Luna offers one of the best products compared to some of these other chains. And if you want to stay up to date with all the upcoming Terra Luna upgrades and roadmap implementations, I highly recommend you follow them on Twitter at Terra_money. They post daily updates. So I'm super bullish on the Anchor protocol along with the Terra Luna token. They've made it super simple to earn one of the highest yields around. So let me know what you think about the Anchor protocol. Are you a fan? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.